Until recently, most of us believed that FaceTime and other virtual calling activities were for casual communication. However, the world is changing and virtual networking is becoming quite popular. In fact, with everyone staying so busy and always on the move, virtual networking events are more the norm than face-to-face events. In this presentation, we'll explain 10 tips for growing your business through virtual networking. These will help you optimize the benefits from your virtual time together. Reach out to others. Most of the time, a virtual networking event will begin with a chat or icebreaker of some kind while you're waiting on everyone to join. Many times, the host will pose a question and the attendees will answer, and in some cases, attendees reach out to engage with each other while waiting. Prepare your introduction. Most of the time, even with virtual events, there will be a moment that you have the opportunity to introduce yourself. Take some time before the meeting to come up with something that you will say.